Starting with their team captain number 4, outside hitter Julian Gonzalez. Jersey number 2, offensive player Andrea Estela. Jersey number 3, their center Micaela Lucas. Middle blocker number 6, Ella Chong. Jersey number 8, Aaron Benedict, offensive player. Jersey number 9, outside hitter Emerson Pack. Starting the barrel wearing jersey number 1, Sophie Castanas, and their head coach, Sean Stratton. You're watching the Briscoe Volleyball League Invitational Final, live right here at Caneville Ballpark, Mandaluyong City, Philippines. The Briscoe Volleyball League is brought to us by Smart Sports, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine National Volleyball Federation, Caneville, and Mizuno. And to start us off, center captain number 4, Rakshana Shaluchon. The first point goes to Northern California Volleyball Association. Serve number 2, Andrea Estela. And a strong hit down the line for Lisa point 2, knocker it on, Volleyball Club. 1 on. On deck, serve number 10, Lisa. Ball is out, automatic point to Northern California. Field serving 1. Substitution. 3 out, 11, Priscilla Williams in. On the service line, their center, number 11, Williams. But ball is not over. Point 2, knocker on, Volleyball Club. 2 all. Now serving number 5, Shanamar Sudima. And we got Hill from the pipe. Point 2, knocker on, Volleyball Club. 3 serving 2. Point 2, Northern California. 3 all. Now serving Emerson Powell. Body with the kill on the opposite side. Point two, number 1, Volleyball Club, score serving 3. On the service line, number 12, opposite striker, Sheila White. And Roxanne with touch, off ball. Back-to-back point two, number 1, 5, serving 3. Service save. Still on back to serve, number 12, Sheila White. Four, serving 6. And a 2-point lead for number 1. Now serving middle blocker, number 6, Ella Shaw. Attack from Vita. Point two, number 9, Volleyball Club. 7, serving 4. Now serving number 8. Constitution, 8 out 10, that's a tie in. Number 11 out, number 3, Lucas in. Re-entry. On that serve, number 10, Tiana, that's a tie. There's another barrel, but ball is not over. Point two, number 1, Volleyball Club, 8, serving 5. On that to serve, number 7, Middle Walker, Sakalawani. Good job ball coming from kind of hard, point two, number 1. 9, serving 5. 4-point lead on the side of Thailand.